Congress MP Bimol Akoijam has criticized the central government, stating that the recent violence in Manipur, including drone attacks on residential areas, highlights the failure of law enforcement agencies. He questioned who would be held accountable for these actions and whether the government should take responsibility for the deaths and destruction. Akoijam noted that the state government claimed their actions during the 15-month crisis with the consent of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. He accused the government of having blood on their hands and warned the Manipur struggle is far from over. Meanwhile, the Manipur government strongly condemned the armed attack by suspected Kuki militants on the residents of Kotruk village in Imphal West on September 1st. The assault, which involved the use of drones, bombs and advanced weaponry, resulted in the deaths of 2 individuals, including a woman, and left several others injured. The state government has expressed grave concern over this fact of terror, particularly at a time when significant efforts are being made to restore peace and normalcy in the region. This violent act targeting defenseless villagers is seen as a direct attempt to undermine the ongoing peace initiatives.